Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys a quick video of my knotless braids size small and waist length. For this braids, I actually used the raw braiding hair that I already made a video of before. And as you can see, I just part the hair and put my edge control, and then I just start braiding, and then I'm gonna feed the hair in. And that's just about it. I've already made a video about how to do knotless braids before, but I'm just gonna be making more videos over time about different hairstyles. So as you can see, I just fed the hair, and for the small size I normally feed the hair about 3 times, but then if I feel like it's too small, then I'm gonna add a tiny piece, but usually 3 fittings all is okay for the braid. And then after that, I'm just gonna add edge control sometimes and just keep braiding. So I normally take progress pictures and progress video to post on my page, and also to show to my client, and that's how it's looking so far. So good. And I'm almost done, so just parting the hair now. Yay, so now I am done, and I'm just gonna add the mousse all over the hair. I'm gonna lift the hair up and add the mousse. I'm gonna add the mousse towards the end, at the top, literally everywhere, and the mousse does help. And I cannot remember what mousse I actually used, but I'm gonna have the link of the mousse I normally use for my braids, and my favorite mousse to use for all my braids and basically all my hairstyles. And here is the finished product, and this is my gorgeous client, and she loves her hair so much, and that's the best feeling so far for me.